Hello, guys. It's a quite bright morning today. Good morning to you all, guys. This is Yogesh, and I'm making this video to share something really important, that how one should actually initiate, how one should actually start to make change. So, you must have heard people saying, you must have heard people telling you, or maybe saying to you, that they would like to make change in the society, in the system, in the whole world, maybe. Let me tell you, that is really great thought. If you guys having this kind of thought in your mind, that keep that in your mind, because our society actually need to change their mindset, or maybe something else that you guys want to do. So let me tell you, the thing that the problem arises when the question arises, that where to start the change, and from where to start change, and that is the really important thing one should one should take care of. So let me tell you a short story on this. It's a story of Gandhiji, who was sitting in front of his house, and suddenly he was covered by too many people around him, and they were actually waiting for his advice, for his suggestions, for whatever problems and issues they were having. So suddenly there was a lady came, and with her 10-year-old son, and asked Gandhiji, stood in front of him and asked Gandhiji, please help me. My son is too much into bad habit of eating jaggery, and I am too much frustrated. Please help me with this situation. And on this, Gandhiji got numb for some time, and that was a quiet situation for him too. So he asked lady, he asked that mother, please come back after 1 month. I would be able to give you a good advice after 1 month only. After 1 month, she came back. She stood in front of him and told him, Gandhiji, I am back. Please help me with this situation. I am too much frustrated now, too much anxious now, and he's not stopping the activity. He's still eating jaggery, and please help me with this situation. On this, Gandhiji asked her son to come in front and told him, Beta, don't eat jaggery. It is not good for your health. And son nodded. But at the same time, mother got really angry on the statement the Gandhiji used. So she told him, Gandhiji, what are you doing? I have been telling this same statement since very long, and you are doing the same thing. What difference going to make? If you have to tell the same, if you have to tell the same thing that I have been doing, then why haven't you told this same thing before? Why you asked me to wait for 1 month? I've been expecting you to give some solution, and you are using the same statement that I have been using. So why you are doing this? At this, Gandhiji said, Mother, At that time, I too was into this situation. I too was into bad habit of eating jaggery. So how can I advise someone else to stop it? If I too am eating that, I too am doing the same activity. So guys, you must have understood by this story that to change something, you actually start from yourself. It is easy to say things, but it is required to experience so that you can actually uh, give a good advice. So whatever you guys are having, whatever change you might be thinking of to make, then it is really good, but start from yourself first. That is all for this video. I really hope that you understood this. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, peace.